דלוויס קדש מרבו חירוסי וימליך מלכוסי וחיי חון ויום יחון ובחיי דכל בית ישראל.
אתה מחפש עובד? מחפש עבודה. אתה בא?
It's a very touchy subject and a very weird subject to start with. For your first movie. Actually, sometimes I'm telling that it's actually my third movie because, you know, usually your first movie is something that you take, you know, from your childhood or something, and the second movie is something that you want to expand your horizon but you terribly fail. And the third movie is when somebody says, hey, there's an interesting script, we want to work on it. So I started with this. My way was to look for things that interested me personally in my life, that hurt me or I love or bugs me or irritates me or, you know, the things that I am concerned about, that I recognize as truths of my life and make them the engine of the plot. And on top of that, to incorporate how it will work inside the religious society.
בסדר? בסדר גמור.
מה אתה כל כך רציני? תחייך, סיימנו. תחייך. בסדר?
You have to admire your characters. I mean, they are in a sense always bigger than life. I mean, who wants to make films about sensible people reacting in a sensible way to sensible circumstances? You cherish the extreme people, even the bad guys. You know, you like the people that are overwhelmingly talented at being different. Even if sometimes they are negative or positive, they have to have something that you want to possess.
מה שלומך? טוב. מה העניינים? בסדר. לא התראינו המון זמן. כן. בבקשה, אני לא רוצה שתעשה את זה פה.
I think this hero had something that I really admire, which is the ability to be bravely different, but in a very subtle way, not in an agitating way, not in a provocational way, but just almost in a half autistical way, you know, just going straight, just going for his own truth. This was something that I felt like I can relate to.
אי אפשר להמשיך ככה. יש לי משפחה, יש לי אישה, יש לי ילדים.
יש רק אותך.
מה כל כך קשה לך? פשוט להגיד לו שילך.
הייתי מת. עכשיו אני חי.
מה אתה מתפלל, אהרון?
Did you screen the film in Israel? Or?
Yes, in Israel and in France.
Yeah. What was the reaction in Israel?
It's very complex. All kinds of reactions. I should say that I got hugs from unexpected shoulders and cold shoulders from from people I thought they would hug me so.
איך המקום בעולם הבא חוטא?
אתם בני תורה, אתם פושעים! תסתלק! תסתלק, תתביישו!
לנו הניסיון הזה אם לא היינו יכולים לעמוד בו הרי?